Today we will start with MATLAB software. MATLAB software is a matrix laboratory, is a fourth generation high level programming language. There is so many programming language like Java, C, C++. Like this, MATLAB is also a programming language. It's very good tools for manipulation of matrix. Majorly it is used for manipulation of matrix, rank of matrix, eigenvalue of matrix, and multiplication also done by the MATLAB. Some built-in function also loaded in the MATLAB like inverse, sine, cos, and functions. And it is easy to learn and simple to use. It is like a calculator, high-level calculator, like scientific calculator. Now comes from the history of the MATLAB. Dave Moeller, the chairman of computer science department at the University of New Mexico, started developing MATLAB in 1970. After this, the MATLAB wrote in C language, C and C++, the basic language is C, and founded MathWorks in 1984 to develop MATLAB. MATLAB 1.0 released in 1984. The next version and next to next version, there's some versions are written there, release name and releasing date. Now in recent 2014, 15, 16, 17, there are two MATLAB versions released. First MATLAB version released in March and another MATLAB version released in September. So in 2015 we can see that 2015B, 2016A, 2016B, 2017A, 2017B, 2018A, and so on. Now 2020 is released. Some basic syntax MATLAB. We will start with a calculator. Like MATLAB, we will use MATLAB as a calculator. Some basic syntax are there. MATLAB environment behaves like super complex calculator. You can enter command in the command window. MATLAB is interpreted environment. In other words, you can give command and MATLAB execute in the right way. Okay. Now, I am showing you slides and simultaneously I will show you the MATLAB software. Now let's start with the software also. Simultaneously we will work like example 1, example 2. I will show you in MATLAB software. This one is the MATLAB software. MATLAB 2000 R2016. This version is R2016. You can see some windows like command window is there. We will work with the command window. And this window is the file where you can save the file. And this workspace is saved. Everything you will do in command window, that will be saved in workspace. I will show you. Okay. Now start with some MATLAB syntax. Basic syntax. Okay. Now first example is this greater than sign is in example when you can see that the greater than sign. This is the command prompt, command window. Now you can see the example 1, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Type in keyboard 5 plus 6, then enter, is equal to 11. See, the answer is 11. In the workspace, you can see that the answer is equal to 11. If you type ANS, then it will give you 11 because it's saved. Answer is saved in workspace. Its value is 11. Okay. Now the cos function is also loaded function. Cos pi is 180. Cos pi. The answer is minus. The cos pi value is -1. I'm using MATLAB as a calculator. Okay, this time I am using as a calculator. It's also a programming language, but I am using it as a calculator. Okay, now the answer saved is -1. Now you can type if answer is equal to answer and then enter. Write answer, then enter. You will find that answer is equal to -1. Workspace is saved as answer is equal to -1. Okay. Next, the example 3, 8 upon 0. Type 8 upon 0 using keyboard. Then enter. It's INF, infinity. It says this is infinity. Okay. Now, the fourth example, 358 multiply is star, not simple multiply, not this like this. Multiply is a star. Okay, 24.88. Now press enter. The value is 8.907. E03 1 10 to the power 3. Okay, scientific. It is in scientific. Okay, now you can see that the answer in workspace, the answer is saved and the value is 8.9070 E plus 03. Okay, you can do like this, sine pi by 3. Okay, the answer is this. Answer is in decimal, not like this pi by 3 value upon. No, it is in decimal. Okay, now if you think that your command window is full and you want to clean this window, then the command is CLC. Type CLC and then enter. The command window is clear, like whiteboard or blackboard of your school and colleges. The command window is saved. Okay. Command window is now clear, but the workspace is saved as the answer. If you want to clear the workspace, that the workspace should be the clear, then command is CLEAR. Type CLEAR, clear, and then enter. The workspace is also clear. Everything in the workspace was saved and now it is clear. Okay, then type CLC. This, everything is clear. Command window is clear, workspace is clear. Okay, CLC for the command window and clear, 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 and then type enter for workspace. Okay, now go for the next. Assigning variable. If you assign a variable x is equal to 16, 15, and then this greater than is MATLAB prompt. It is called a MATLAB prompt. Assigning operator is equal to is this assigning operator, as in Mathematica there is a two equal to is a assigning operator. Now this is simple. It is simple and very friendly, that you can type simple as you write in the your notebook x is equal to 16, then write x is equal to 16. Then this semicolon, surpass command output. I will show you how this semicolon work. And comment operator, this percentage is comment operator. It will not run if you type the percentage operator and percentage sign and write after the percentage sign. It will not compute. Okay, I am showing you. Okay, like x is equal to 16. Just type x is equal to 16. Then enter. The x is equal to 16. Workspace saved x is equal to 16. But if you type x is equal to 16 and semicolon and then enter, it will not show you x is equal to. It saved x is equal to 15. I am showing you again. X is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 semicolon and then enter. Check in workspace. The value of x is equal to 15, but it is not showing here in command window. Why? Because I have typed semicolon. Okay, if I will not type semicolon, x is equal to 15, then it will show you x is equal to 14, and Workspace will also have changed x is equal to 14. Okay. The next was the comment operator. If I type x is equal to 50 and I want to explain the value of x is equal to 15, I want to write that the value of x is 15. Then the green, this is a green, color is green, the value of x is equal to 15. Then it is like it will not compile by the MATLAB software. The compilation only x is equal to 15. Then enter this, x is equal to 15. When you write a program and want to explain some lines for loops like in C and C++, then you can write like this, that it will not compute. But when any reader read this program, then he can understand that the value of x is 15 and taken by for this, and the purpose of the value of 15 is this. You can write anything. Okay. So I want to show you CLC and CLEL. Clear. Okay. CLC. Okay. If I want to add a name, my name is XYZ, class BSc. Okay, then you can start like this for programming. Okay, now x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. At the top you can declare your name, class, semester, roll number, anything else. Okay, any information. Okay, examination, roll number. Okay. Now go for the next. Rules on variables. There are some rules. Okay, like in the case, it is case sensitive. MATLAB is case sensitive. Capital and small are two different names. Like name, 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 and capital N, small a, small m, small e. There are two distinct names. Okay. Variable begins with letter capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. Variables names. Okay, can be mix the letter, digit, and underscore. You can use also vector underscore. Okay, example vector underscore a. This vector underscore a. You can like use this also, and some reserved word also. Okay, reserved word percentage. I have shown you the percentage, the use of percentage. Equal to, plus, minus, and also semicolon, colon. These are the reserved words. Plus simple addition, equal to assigning the value. Okay, minus simple minus. We will go forward to see and how this works. Commonly used operator and special character. Okay, plus addition, simple addition. Minus, the second operator is minus subtraction operator. Star, scalar and metric multiplication. For multiplication, scalar to matrix, and array multiplication, star dot star, array to array multiplication. You can also in 2016 you can use simple star for metric multiplication. You can also simple use star for metric multiplication. This cap scalar to matrix exponential, and dot and cap array exponential. Okay, I will show you the result of dot cap. Okay, Transpose, for the matrix transpose is simple dot or comma on the above, and colon generates regularly spaced elements and represent entire row or column. I will show you the column also. Operator, bracket, this bracket parenthesis, enclosed function argument and array indices, overrides precedence, bracket, large bracket, enclose array element, decimal point, dot decimal point, comma, separate statements and elements in a row, semicolon, separate column and surpass display, percentage sign, percentage, designing the comment, I have used percentage for comment, and assigning operator for equal to. Okay. The spatial variable and constants, ANS, you have seen that ANS, most recent answer. Okay. I and J imaginary in mathematics. INF infinity, you can see infinity. NaN undefined. Okay. NaN undefined. And pi, the number pi. Okay. Undefined. I will show you. 0 upon 0 is undefined, na? Then 0 upon 0. NaN. Answer is N. Undefined. 0 upon 0. 9 upon 0 is infinity. 0 upon 9 is equal to 0. Some undefined things are there. Then MATLAB gives you the answer is undefined. Okay. Now go for the next. Now I will show you all this. Okay. X. First, in the ground clear, CLC, CLEAR clear for the workspace clear, and CLC for the clear of command view. X is equal to 1 colon. Okay, colon. This is colon 2 colon 9 and present. It will give you 1 3 5 7 9. How? Percentage sign, after percentage sign, it is written that define vector S with operator. The operator X begin from 1 and to 9, and interval is 2. After 2 to gap 1, and after gapping of 2 is 3, after gapping of 2 is 5, after gapping of 2 is 7, and then end at 9. Okay. If you have not written 2, the interval size is 2. If you have not written interval size, this 3 and 5, the interval size is 1. It will show you 3 4 5. Z is equal to 1 to 10. Okay. Output will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. This L is equal to 1, gapping interval is 2 and 10. The even odd number 1 3 5. If you want to even number in M and saved in M, 2, gapping is 2, interval is 2, and up to 10. This 2 to 10. Okay. You can also write 2 starting from 2 and 100. You can type as large as 100. This 2 4 6 7 8 10 12. Okay. Now I am clearing this CLC. Okay. Now here clear. I am clearing a workspace also, CLC. Okay. I am showing this example. M 1 2 3 semicolon 4 5 6 semicolon 7 8 9. Okay. And this is a matrix. 1 2 3 is first row, 4 5 6 is 7 row, 7 8 9 is third row. I'm typing in the MATLAB first row with the gapping. First element 1, then space 2, then space 3. This is the first row. Semicolon means the row is finished. That row is finished. I'm stopping at 3. The next row is 4 space 5 space 6. The second row, first element 4, space means the second element, space means third element, 4 5 6, and the third row is 7 8 9. Okay, now the first row, first element is 1. The address is, I'm showing M2, 3. M2, 3 is equal to 6. Means second row M2, 3, second row, and third column, the element is 6. The bracket, the use of the bracket. There is a large bracket for matrix and the address for every element. I'm using the parenthesis. Okay. M first row, first element. The answer should be 1. M third row and second element. The answer should be 8. Okay. Now